Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. My name is Christopher Andrew Javier from BIT City 1A. And today, we will discuss about the careers, qualifications, certificates, and proficiencies required in manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industries are industries transforming goods that is mainly manufacturing industries in their own right, but they also concern the repair and installation of industrial equipment and subcontracting operations for third parties, such as manufacture of food products, manufacture of paper and paper products, manufacture of basic metals, manufacture of electrical equipment, manufacture of other transport equipment, etc. Manufacture of food products. When we say manufacture of food products, food manufacturing involves washing, cutting, combining ingredients to produce edible products. Manufactured food should be consistent in texture, taste, and appearance, of course. The production process also involves dispersing food products into appropriate reheating and serving sizes. Manufacture of paper products. The manufacture of pulp involves separating the cellulose fibers from other impurities in wood. Use paper or other fiber sources. The manufacture of paper involves matting these fibers into a sheet. Converted paper products are produced from paper and other materials by various cutting and shaping techniques. Manufacture of basic metals. Basic metal production encompasses the activities of smelting or refining ferrous and precious as well as other non-ferrous metals from ore or scrap. Using metallurgic techniques, it also comprises the production of metal alloys and superalloys by adding certain chemical elements to pure metals. Manufacture of electrical equipment. This division includes the manufacture of products that generate, distribute, and use electrical power. Also included is the manufacture of electrical lighting, signaling equipment, and electric household appliances. The next one is manufacture of other transport equipment. This division includes the manufacture of transportation equipment such as shipbuilding and boat manufacturing, the manufacture of railroad, rolling stock, and locomotives, air and spacecraft, and the manufacture of parts thereof. The next topic is all about the careers in manufacturing industry. Manufacturing is a vibrant, innovative field with an array of in-demand career paths. It is no longer an industry that's defined by physical labor and dark factory settings. Rather, advanced technologies and computerized systems are paving new paths for modern manufacturing workers. Much of today's manufacturing careers are lean, green, high-tech, and highly creative, allowing people of all skill sets to take part in producing goods for our greater economy. There are 6 key career clusters or career pathways within the manufacturing industry. Within each bucket, there are many different job titles you can pursue. The first one is the production. Second one is manufacturing, production process development, logistics and inventory control, quality assurance, health, safety, and environmental assurance, and the last but not the least is the maintenance, installation, and repair. Let's first discuss about the production. When many people think of manufacturing, it is production that comes to mind. Production is the process of creating and assembling goods. The production career pathway is meant for those who are innovative and interested in bringing designs to life. These professionals may work with machines, materials like metal, glass, and wood, electronic systems, and specialized welding equipment. Examples of career paths in this cluster include, but are not limited to, is the CNC machinists rather. And then next one is welders. Next is automotive industry workers, production supervisors, metal workers, certified production technicians, and precision machinists. The CNC machinist, Computer numerically controlled or CNC machinists develop and operate computer and mechanically controlled tools to produce other instruments and apparatus. They control the machinery that produces the speed and cuts to create a specific part, just like what you seen in the video. The next one is the welders. As everyone know, the welders that work in manufacturing plants are generally responsible for welding metal components of various sizes and types of either create a new product or fix an old one. A growing number of welders are also charged with operating automated or semi-automated welding machines to perform these tasks. The next one is the automotive industry workers. Automotive industry workers are the people who work in the parts production and assembly plants of automobile manufacturers. Their labor involves work from the smallest part to the completed automobiles. Next is production supervisors. Production supervisors is the first line of management of a production team. It is primarily concerned with keeping a production line operational and maintaining the ongoing production of the end product. The goal is to maximize production uptime while maintaining product quality and staff safety. The next one is the metal workers. Metalworking is the process of forming and shaping metals to create useful tools, objects, equipment parts, and structures. Metalworking projects generally fall under the categories of forming, cutting, and joining, and may involve techniques such as cutting, welding, casting, and molding. Certified production technicians. Production technicians evaluate products to ensure quality and functionality. They typically work in factories, inspecting and testing products before they are made available to the public. Production technicians also ensure the safety of the factory and the availability of required materials. Precision machinists operates and maintain lathe and milling machines. Reviews drawings, instructions, blueprints, or samples to ensure accurate production. Takes precise measurements for cutting or shaping. Selects appropriate machine and setting for a given task. The next one is the manufacturing production process development. This manufacturing career path is dedicated to the design sector of the industry and is a necessary step in the production of manufacturing goods. Professionals within this cluster are responsible for designing the goods that will be produced, as well as developing and programming the processes that will be used to produce them. In order to develop these designs, professionals will interview their target customers, audience, evaluate the current market for a product, and collect feedback from current consumers of the product. Then, examples of careers within the manufacturing production process development are the industrial designers, industrial engineers. Industrial designers develop the concept of our manufactured products such as cars, home appliances, and toys. They combine art, business, and engineering to make products that people use every day. Industrial engineers find ways to eliminate wastefulness in production processes. They devise efficient systems that integrate workers, machines, materials, information, and energy to make a product or provide a service. The next cluster is the logistics and inventory control. Logistics refers to the planning and movement of materials to and from manufacturing sites. Inventory control similarly involves organizing the transportation, receipt, and delivery of both materials and products from acquisition to distribution. Those working in this manufacturing career cluster oversee activities like the purchasing inventory, the transportation of products, and the warehousing of goods. They ensure that there is a constant movement of cycle of inventory and that materials and products are all accounted for on a daily basis. Examples of careers within this manufacturing pathway include shipping and receiving specialists and supervisors, inventory control specialists, industrial traffic managers, shipping and receiving specialists. A shipping and receiving supervisor supervises workers who confirm and record the receipt of shipments, prepare items for shipping, and load and unload trucks. Also responsible for managing the interdepartment transport of materials. Inventory control specialist. An inventory control specialist tracks inventory and stock changes. Your responsibilities include overseeing inventory control, managing deliveries, inspecting inventory, maintaining inventory records, and ordering products. You typically work in a warehouse to track items, parts, and products of a company, for a company. The next one is the industrial traffic managers. Industrial traffic managers handle the booking, billing, claims, and related paperwork for the safe and efficient movement of cargo by air, water, truck, or rail. They analyze the costs of different forms of transport and calculate the shipping rates for the customers. The next cluster is the quality assurance. Quality assurance professionals are critical in manufacturing, as they help ensure that the production and output of goods meets high quality standards and specifications. These professionals may test manufactured goods to certify they work and are assembled properly. They may also write the rules for quality for a company or product. At the end of the day, customer satisfaction is top of mind for these manufacturing professionals. Examples of careers in this manufacturing career path are quality controller, quality supervisor, receiving inspector, quality controller. Quality control inspectors, also called the quality controllers or QC, are members of a control audit team that examine manufacturing processes and operational techniques. These professionals ensure that the products made in a facility conform to industry, company, and consumer expectations, and do so consistently. The next one is the quality supervisor. A quality supervisor is a professional who manages and implements the quality assurance and control systems of a company to ensure the proper execution of products and customer satisfaction. Quality supervisors oversee a team of quality control analysts and train them on the latest product standards. The next one is the receiving inspector. Receiving inspectors complete purchase orders when new stock is received and also monitor deliveries. Opening boxes, viewing all items, and counting products upon receiving them. Receiving inspector also scan items received into inventory and track as well as refuse. All inaccurate orders delivered. Let's move on to the next cluster, which is the health, safety, and environmental assurance. This manufacturing career cluster is all about ensuring that workers and products are safe. These professionals will conduct safety and health inspections within the workplace, certifying that it is a safe environment for employees. They may also teach employees safe working practices, train them on equipment and emergency procedures, and implement incident and hazard investigations as needed. Additionally, some professionals will confirm that goods can be used safely by consumers. Examples of careers in this pathway include health and regulatory inspectors, industrial safety and health technicians, environmental engineers, health and regulatory inspectors. They investigate health and safety related complaints, spills of hazardous chemicals, disease outbreaks, poisonings, or workplace accidents. Inspect workplaces to ensure equipment, materials, and processes are safe. Develop, implement, and evaluate health and safety programs and strategies. The next one is the industrial safety and the health technicians. Occupational health and safety specialists and technicians typically do the following: inspect, test, and evaluate workplace environments, equipment, and practices to ensure that they follow safety standards and government regulations. Prepare written reports on their findings. Environmental engineers. Environmental engineers use the principles of engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to environmental problems. They work to improve recycling, waste disposal, public health, and water and air pollution control. System setup specialists. System setup specialists install new computer systems and upgrade existing ones to meet the specifications of the client. They install hardware such as memory, sound cards, fax or modems, fans, microprocessors, and system boards. They also load software and configure the hard drive appropriately. The next one is the manufacturing and repair technicians. Manufacturing technicians run and maintain factory equipment and assembly processes, monitor and check the product quality, and document results in strict adherence to protocols in the discrete manufacturing environment. The next one is the computer maintenance technicians. A computer technician is a professional who is tasked with maintaining computer systems, troubleshooting errors, and repairing the organization's hardware. These professionals use their knowledge in networking and software applications to provide technical support for both employees and customers on-site or remotely. The next one is the maintenance supervisors. Oversees the day-to-day operations of the maintenance department. Evaluates system or facilities to determine maintenance or repair that need to be performed. Assesses building systems to plan work assignments and project schedules. We will talk in the next topic is all about the certifications that can help you get into manufacturing industry. The first one is the Project Management Professional or the PMP. The next one is the Quality Engineer Certification or QEC. The next one is the Certified Production Technician or CPT. The next one is the CNC Lathe certifications. Next one is the Welder certifications.
Qualification in manufacturing industry. What it like to be a manufacturer. Manufacturers plan and develop goods using tools and machinery, depending on their specific industry and role. A manufacturer may be involved in the research and design of products, as well as assembly and distribution. They can manufacture goods ready for sale and addition to parts and components for other products. Such as vehicle and electronics manufacturers typically need technical skills for hands-on work with equipment and the ability to coordinate production alongside other skilled workers. Task and duty. Converting raw materials, components, and parts into finished good using manual labor or machine. Overseeing quality control throughout the production process. Reading and interpreting plans and drawings. Cutting and drilling steel, timber, and plastic according to specification. Measuring and assembling components. Developing business plans and implementing strategies for operation, marketing, pricing, and recruitment. Researching and meeting regulatory and statutory requirements affecting manufacturing operation. Overseeing production, warehousing, distribution, waste disposal, and other operational units. Coordinating orders for raw materials, supplies, and equipment, and arranging, packaging, delivery, and wholesaling of products. Preparing quotes for the manufacture of specialized goods and arranging contracts with customers. Proficiencies required in manufacturing industry. Here are a few of the main skills that you will need in the manufacturing industry. Excellent communication skills, the ability to work as part of a team. Leadership skills, work ethic, time management, attention to detail, critical thinking, aptitude for tech and equipment. defendability, flexibility, physical fitness. Thank you. I hope that you learned.